Alright, so your Osterizer 10-speed blender and it's working, but the part in it gone, the coupling and the dry stud. Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to change the coupling and dry stud for this blender to work again. Alright, so stick around, watch this video and you'll learn how to change it for yourself. Alright, so first thing first, you unplug it. Make sure there's no power. Alright, so now you open the back side and there are 3 screws to remove. Remove the back cover. Rest that side. Right, so this whole part of it come out now. Alright, so you use a small socket. I'm not showing the size number. It has 4 screws to remove. And then the last one top. Alright, so you pull it out. Alright, so this is the coupling. Alright, so you can see the coupling. Right, so you can see the coupling in this, it break out. Right, so to get it out, you have to take out this part. Now to take out this part, you have to take out this nut. Right, so here what you're doing. Right, so you hold on this end with the pliers. And then this end with a socket, and then turn it. Right, so this right, so the coupling come out. Right, so this is the old coupling, and this is the new one. Right, so the old coupling come out. Now, to take out this nut, I will have to take out 2 screws that hold the winding field. Pull it out. Right. Now to take out this part now, the nut, I will hold this in and I will use I'll use this so it come out. Alright, so that, where's that here? Put that side. Alright, so you pull out this part. Alright, so next step now. So we are putting this inside here first. And then a new coupling going on top and threading. And then you want to tighten it, but you don't want to tighten it too tight because it can damage the rubber around the coupling. It can break out. Right, see this. Alright, so that tight enough. Alright, so let's back this inside here. Alright, and then tighten back. You put all the screws. Alright, so all the screws up, you tighten them one by one. You don't want to tighten one screw right down because sometimes that makes some adjustment. Make sure everything is level. Right, so the next step now is to put on these two parts. Right, so you're resting this on top, and then the dry stud. Right, so it's on. Now you want to hold this end, right, and turn to tighten it. Right, so you're holding this end with the pliers and then turning with the hand inside the armature and then turning. You tighten it, but not too tight, and not good enough. Right, so it's on there. So the next step now is to put on this part. So you move this part. Now this part cannot go in because the brushes touching together, right? So in order for this part to go in, you have to remove the brushes. So you remove the brushes. Right, so you move that and you rest this in. And then you screw up Alright, so now you're putting back this in place. Right, so I'll put a spacer, then the blade, then the nut, and now we're doing the same thing with, as you do before, holding this part, tightening. So you're holding this part and then you're holding this end and you tighten them. Alright, so that's done. Secure the wires, make sure you're not touching anywhere. You don't want these wires to touch anyway. Alright, so put back the back cover. And the 3 screws that hold the back cover. Now the best thing about Osterizer, the best thing about this blender, it does get parts for this. It's a good blender, you get parts for it, so whenever it's spoiled, you can probably get it fixed if you want to. Alright, so everything up. Right, so this is the dry stud. Alright, so let's run for a test. so it's working good. So now you know how to change a dry stud and a coupling on an Osterizer Blender. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.